Welcome to the Mechanic Desk help videos. In this tutorial, we will look at how to send an invitation to the customer to connect with the workshop through the Service Book app. There are multiple ways to invite a customer to connect with your workshop. In this example, we will send an invite from the job card. If you are working on a job and you want to send an invitation to the customer, first click on the Send button above the invoice here, and then select Send Service Book Invitation. This can also be done from the customer's profile. Navigate to the customer's profile like so, then you can click on Send and then select Send Service Book Invitation. To change the template that is sent to your customers when inviting them to Service Book, click on the Settings tab, then Integrations, and then Service Book on the left of the screen. Then select Service Book Invitation Template here. You can then make edits to the message field here as required. It is very important, however, that you keep the invitation URL, invitation email, and the invitation code. You can also send an invitation to a customer by clicking on New Invitation here and then select Invite a Customer. Then input your customer's name and select them from the drop-down menu. Then select Send Invitation, now in green. Let's take a look at how this looks from the customer's perspective. The customer will receive the invite like so on their phone. You can see via the invite link that the customer has received a request to connect with the workshop. The customer then needs to click on the Sign Up link here. This will then open the Service Book Sign Up page. It is important at this stage that the customer signs up with the correct email address as shown below. The customer will also input their name here and a password as shown. Once all fields have been entered, they will click on Create Account, and based on whether they are using Android or iOS, they can either download the app from the Google Play Store or the App Store. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the Mechanic Desk support team.